this is an investment that is going to be with you, so you are going to monitor it to know the right time to sell to be able to recoup your capital and your investment. Hello lovely people, welcome to our channel once again. So this is just a quick one. I want to share something with you, so stay focused and be with me right here. So if you are someone that is having any amount with you that you are not ready to use for anything, then I want to show you how you're able to multiply that money by 2 before the year ends. Remember, this is not a quick money scheme, and it doesn't mean your money is going to double up for you the quickest way, but it is assured that you are going to make double or even triple of that amount of money before the year will end. You know that the rain has not been favorable in Ghana in this particular year due to a lot of environmental factors. Now, we also know that the price of maize is very low as at now because a lot of people are harvesting maize. So what I want to advise you to do is that go to any village nearby you, use the amount of money that you're having to buy maize. Buy maize, put it in a bag and bring it to wherever you are. Remember that the price of maize will be increasing at the right time because rain has not fallen that much within this year, and those who are harvesting maize are making money out of it, and those who are buying that maize and preserving it down for the next season will also be making quite an amount of money. So go to any village, buy the maize, keep the maize down, and the right time will come for you to sell that maize so that you'll be able to make enough out of it, which will make your money to be double, of which no financial institution will be able to do for you within this short period of time. You know, I recommend you go to the village to buy the maize. You know why? The price of maize in the village is far lower than the price of maize in the market or in the cities. You know, some villages are selling maize as low as 20 Ghana cedis or 25 Ghana cedis, but when you go to the city, you're going to get it like 30, 35 thereabout. So when you go to the village, you are going to buy that maize at a cheaper price, of which you'll be able to store it and then keep it down for some time before you sell it to make that amount of money out of it. So go to the village and then buy the maize in any quantity that you want, store it properly so that you'll be able to sell it at the right time. The amount of money you have does not matter, whether it is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or any amount that you have. But just buy the maize and preserve it at where it's not going to come into contact with water. Keep it safe, dry, so that you'll be able to sell it and make double or even triple of that amount at the right time. Remember, the price of maize will be going up. So if you are someone that is investing into maize by this time, you'll be able to make double or triple of that amount, of which no bank or no other investment will be able to do for you. Remember, this one, your investment is right there with you. You are seeing the maize, so you have control over it. It is not like a get quick rich scheme that you are going to give your money to somebody so that you'll be having a sleepless night to whether your money will be paid or your investment will be matured or not. This is an investment that is going to be with you, so you are going to monitor it to know the right time to sell to be able to recoup your capital and your investment. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, share it, and let me know in the comment section what you think about what I am saying. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.